beginning to transform the brand towards Pizza Hut becoming a place where friends like you come together to build relationships, really build relationships around food that can be shared. And we are executing against that vision in lots and lots of variety. Have you ordered, by the way?
No, we were just going to.
I was waiting for him to show up.
Yeah.
I won't let you forget that, you know.
Okay.
Have a look at the menu.
God, this is a huge menu.
There's lots more yogurt. That's right, it is. There is a lot more at Pizza Hut and pizza. And let me ask the chef who's created this magic, Chef Sachin, to come and present the food to you.
Guys, it's damn sharp, man.
Well, I think you guys have seriously. Come on, guys! Let me just find. Thank you. It means to build relationships around food that can be shared, and it gives me conversations happen, memories get built, relationships get built, and for being here. And I'd like to invite all of you to join us downstairs and experience this transformation for yourself. Thanks a lot.
Well, if you feel at Pizza Hut, enjoy your drinks and dinner at the first floor and the ground floor. Media persons can please stay back for their one-on-one interviews. But our special invitees, we cordially invite you to please join us on the first floor and the ground floor to experience the new Pizza Hut. It continues right below on the first floor and the ground floor. Thank you. A photo op for our print photographers who are seated ahead. The new Pizza Hut. So all the media persons.
Lara ji, okay. Kunal Lara. Yeah. Kunal Lara, yeah, both of you. Kunal. Please sit down.